Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? The fastest land animal is the Which animal is the largest mammal? A group of lions is called a What animal is known for its black and white stripes? What animal has a long neck and spots? Which bird is a symbol of peace? Which animal lays eggs and has a shell? The only mammal capable of true flight is the Which aquatic mammal is known to be very intelligent? What is the tallest land animal? Which animal is called the ship of the desert? The animal that never sleeps is the What do pandas mainly eat? What color is a polar bear's fur? What is the only big cat that can't roar? Which animal has the largest brain? Which animal uses echolocation? What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? What bird is known for mimicking sounds? What is a baby kangaroo called? The world's smallest bird is the Which fish has a deadly electric shock? What's the only continent without native snakes? Which animal has a blue tongue? Which animal is known to laugh? What do you call a group of crows? Which animal can regenerate its limbs? The slowest animal in the world is the Which bird is the largest in the world? What animal can sleep standing up? What is the main food of koalas? What mammal has the most teeth? What is a group of fish called? Which insect can lift 50 times its body weight? Which sea creature has 3 hearts? What animal changes color to blend in? What animal sleeps the most? Which creature has no brain? What is the largest bird that can fly? Which animal is known as man's best friend? What's the only mammal that lays eggs? What bird lays the largest eggs? What is a female deer called? Which reptile has a detachable tail? What animal has tusks and a trunk? What sea animal has 8 legs? Which animal is famous for its spines? What land animal can run the longest distance? What animal has black skin under white fur?